Paul here from Parrot Products again with a nice little hidden gem onto your Microsoft Store. Did you know you had a Microsoft Whiteboard for your touchscreens and interactive whiteboards for free? You just need a Hotmail or Outlook account. You go to your store, you look for Microsoft Whiteboard, you download it, and what do you get? You've got an infinite whiteboard or canvas to leverage for interactions or presentations. You do not need any additional software or drivers. I've got on top of this infinite space a basic toolbar that gives me all the functionality I need to have a classroom, a presentation, a brainstorming session or collaboration session. It is easy for me to jump between colors. It is easy for me to interact and figure out what I want to do. I do not want just basic pen functionality. I want to incorporate some multimedia. I want to make this relevant to my audience. It's easy to incorporate multimedia from my existing machine, whether it's images, videos, or anything like that. It is easy to scale, resize, and turn this whiteboard into a completely different experience. You can move it and associate it with a variety of different material. Very cool indeed. I can make use of basic functions to actually turn this into a completely different experience, where there is a ruler to draw perfectly straight lines. Easy to navigate and hide. The beauty behind this entire suite is that I've got infinite space to highlight and add content and interact with. I've got the functionality to actually share the space through a web link with any other person that's running a canvas on their side as well. Once I've shared it with them on their machine, they'll see fully exactly what I'm busy doing and have the opportunity to contribute from their side as well. This is a very nice tool that is zero cost associated with it, that takes the overall experience of a touch LED to a whole different level. So play around and let us know.